How to delete projects inside Davinci Resolve. You have to come here to this house icon in the lower right corner. Here we have a few projects. We have 2, 4 and 6 things here. The current one is called Untitled Project. So Untitled Project has to be the first one. That is empty, so there's no need to delete that one. We have an Untitled Project 2. So before deleting that one, we should see what is inside that project 2. So double click on project 2. It's empty, so project 2 can be deleted. Go back to the house icon. Now we have one thumbnail less here. It's interesting, and project 2 should be deleted. But now there is no delete here. So how to get rid of this project? We have to close it first. And after closing the project 2, another project will appear here. So currently we have 5 thumbnails. Right click on it and close. Now we have 6. Now project 2, this one, now finally can be deleted. Delete. Now let's see project 1. Currently the thumbnail shows us that there is a video inside that one. It has a delete, but I'm not sure what's inside, so I have to double click on it to open it. And there is no video. The media is offline. So this project 1 should be deleted also. House icon, project 1 cannot be deleted. The same thing. First you have to close it, and then another appears, and now you can delete the project 1. You have to close it first, and then you can delete it. This also shows an icon, that green landscape. And there is something here. I don't need that one either. Take a look at the name. It's called bird. House icon. Bird must be closed. And bird can be deleted. Delete. Airport. This also shows something, but there is nothing in it. Everything is old and deleted. So the airport can be also closed first. And airport can be deleted. Delete. Let's see this nature. This is an underwater something that is old and unused. So nature can be closed, and nature can be deleted. Delete. And finally we have one empty project. That's how to get rid of unused projects inside Davinci Resolve.